Hi, my name is Arvin and this is a guide on marketing. Marketing is also known as air layering. It is a type of a vegetative plant propagation that involves rooting of a part of a stem while it is still attached to the parent plant. Are you ready for this marketing journey? Prepare the following materials. You will need a transparent plastic bag. You will also need ropes. Of course, prepare your blade or your knife. And of course, your medium. You can use coco coir, soil, or a combination of both. Here is an important tip. If you are using coco coir, it will be better if you will soak it overnight. So to start, select the branch where you want to make a markup. Now, move the knife in a circular motion around the stem. And remove the strip of the bark. Take note of this. When scraping off the bark of your chosen plant, it is very important that you scrape off the slimy layer for it can hinder the roots from growing. Now, it's time to put your medium around the debarked stem by pressing it using your palm and fingers. Tightly wrap around the soil with your plastic sheet. It is advisable to first tie the lower portion of the plastic to avoid the soil or your medium from escaping. Then tie the upper portion of the plastic. Normally, rooting will take place from 8 to 10 weeks or sometimes more depending on the species. I hope that this guide helped you in your marketing journey.